Busy moms, kanya kadega tutorial ping and panikum no belong fresh and fabulous in 5 minutes. Skip the foundation, panankam do tinted moisturizer for hydration but light coverage. Pilaban panankam do BB cream lane serum foundation. Panankam do Maybelline fresh tint udan SPF 50 ru kanya day before and after. The film sutana ban panankam do brush filaban chuta kumba chuta cream ru. Lande panankam do beauty blender. Penankam concealer hapo under eye kandia, but pilak ban blender ke keti, lane do sponge to hide those sleepless nights. The pimnan por ban penankam pencil, no problem. Penankam da eyebrow gel, lane da brow wax komune. Before, after. Yaki kamat filak ban chuta mascara lane kajal, the fisuna ban ta kajal. The fikwa ban ta eyeshadow, penankam kandia do concealer, sa shu blend komune. But pilak ban ta uno neutral eyeshadow, sa shu blend komune all over your eyelid, but shaka crease ru kandia. Pila ban ta ru kandia na po lower lash line. The fi ben yomat kumanga pan kador yoman, but sa code you lashes do mascara. Pilaban panankam do lip tint as a blusher. So one product, two uses. But the filadep talud barok cream products a set yakador do powder. But can final look. Tag a busy mom who needs this.